Right, welcome back to Exploring with Jake. We're in Brinksways Tunnels in Stockport. Basically, the history on this building, well, obviously these air raid shelters, started work 1938. It opened in 1939, and then it got bombed in 1940 on October the 11th. Right, guys, let me take you back in history, down the air raid shelters. Like, people used to come down here back in the war when they were really scared for their lives. Let's go, let's go. Right, guys, this is one of the largest air raid shelters in Stockport and Manchester. One of the second largest, sorry. But yeah. Look at all the beds, man. Right, guys, welcome back to Exploring with Jake. I know I've already said that, but these are the toilets from when it used to be back in the war. It's pretty cool, to be honest, walking back in time just to see this. It's like crazy, man. Right, let's go. Right, guys, it looks like we've found some old buckets dating back to the war and an old motorbike petrol tank. It's pretty cool, and a couple of lanterns. Wheel. Oh, here's one of the blocked off entrances, I think. Yeah, I think this is one of the blocked off entrances. Is there? Yeah. This is one of the blocked off entrances, guys. The start lights there. Pretty cool.
More tunnels.
Let's go.
Toilets.
Yeah, there's more toilets. They are. There's a torch down the toilet. I know, but this leads to it. Have we just been through this, haven't we? Look at the old-fashioned shoe. That's cool. And the old bottle. There you go, Danny. Yeah, Danny, here's the bunk beds. But they've all been pushed down, haven't they? The old lanterns, the old bins. Oh no, that was used for. That's cool, that though. To be honest, guys. All the old paint cans. I think that's pretty recent, that. Old chairs.
Down the corner.
Beds. There's an old little bike wheel, man. I think this is a dead end, you know, boys. Yeah, it is. Right, guys, welcome back. Just a little bit of knowledge for you. These are the beds that everybody in the war used to sleep on. And do you know this beautiful red rock? It's hand carved sandstone, man. But yeah, thank you for joining.
You just got film walking about.
I am.
About shooting on gas.
Oh yeah. But yeah, guys, this is Brinksways Air Raid Tunnels. Right, guys, it looks like we found an old-fashioned shoe dating back to the war and an old lawnmower, but I don't know why you'd want a lawnmower down in an air raid shelter where there is no grass. But look at the old bucket. There's the old lantern, but I don't think they're that old, to be honest, guys. They are old, but like, you've got this one here. Whoa, there's a gun. That's only plastic. But yeah, there's another blocked off entrance, guys. But yeah, there's the exploring crew. Hello.
Hi, guys.
That's it, guys. Basically, I'm going to take you some more around these tunnels. I hope you like my video. But yeah. Right, guys, welcome back. This is where basically Stockport Council have bricked off one of the original entrances to this tunnel, and as you can see by the bracing on the walls, this used to be the entrance of the door, and I think this piece of wood here is the actual door But I'm not going to touch it because it'll break it and it'll ruin history. Right guys, I think that these are the old screws that used to have all the old lighting to light up all the tunnels. As you can see, there's another. Look, there's another. There's another. And yeah, so forth, so on. But yeah, these beds are made out of zinc because it was a really cheap metal to use back in the war. But wow, it's crazy, man. I hope you like us taking you back in time, walking through these tunnels like what it did back in the war. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. So what do you think it is then, guys?
I think this was stood up.
Yeah?
The beds were there. I think these holes are where they put slats across, and they'd use them to put extra beds.
See, that's not from the wall. Should go this way. Which way should we go? Should we go straight down there? Because it's like, it's really, really big. Yeah, there's some of the beds. There's some of the bed frames. There's the old, whoa. Bells.
Bells whiskey?
That's
a bit up to date, isn't it?
It is bells. It is bells.
No, that does look actually old.
It is old. It's really old glass,
In
that.
the drain as well.
Yeah.
We're obviously getting two.
Old lemonade. Yeah, that's what I thought it was then.
That's where the old hospital wing was.
No.
Where here?
No, there, because the bed pad.
But no, the bedpan, they used to use the bedpans so when it was the middle of the night, they didn't have to go to the toilet.
Yeah.
So if they wanted a wee, they just used the bedpan.
Yeah, 6,500 or 6,700 and something, but that was the maximum. That was the maximum capacity. But the like what they said.
Well over that.
Yeah, what they said. It was like 5,300. It's like 5,300 or something like that.
Yeah, that's how you know you're getting back.
But-
Go that way.
No, let's go down here.
This is back down.
Right, guys. I don't. It is it's concrete, and then it goes into sandstone. Because it's an archway, it might have got double strength. Yeah. I think this is another blocked off entrance, to be honest.
You feel the air pushing in your head, can't you?
Yeah.
Four beds.
This is more concrete as well. Oh yeah, we haven't been down here. Here we go, here's the bed's being knocked down. Yeah, it must be. Oh, the bed's all over the floor. All the old bowls. Ah, all the old cans. There's the old beds, man. We've not been in this bit. What?
You kind of explore.
Who's what?
Yeah, like moonlight. Put that light back on, Park, actually.
There's another toilets, guys. Looks like these are more toilets, these guys. They're a bit messed up though. That's sad, that really. Why destroy things? It's got a history to it. This must have been the old taps and the old sink.
Hi guys, welcome to Exploring with Jake. I'm Danny. Imagine being down here in World War II when all the bombs are going off. You've got all your family and friends around you. Some of them might have been left behind, and all you can hear is the noises, the walls are shaking.
Right guys, these used to be used for drinking water, but look at the relics that we found. I don't know if they're really that old, but they have got an old ring pull on it, and I think they are the old lights that used to be in here. Bark or something on it, it says. I don't know.
Don't look at you. Just put it in your pocket.
Exploring with Jake.
Well, it's just all over, we're going to have to start again.
Do you know what? I got that on film as well.
There you go. Imagine. The all the way through.
So you want to get a picture of that on the way out, Pat?
What's that?
You want to get a picture of this, like the other side of this on the way out. You know, from the council.
These were all entrances, weren't they? That's where
Yeah, these are all
used
old
to be.
entrances and stuff like that. Because look, there's another one of them doors.
Yeah, that's
Crazy, man. This is crazy. Think about how many people used to sleep on here, guys. Take a trip back in time. Oh. Do you know what? It's actually pretty comfy, you know. Oh, I'm all wet. Oh well. Whoa, there's a lantern on the wall. That's pretty cool. That'd look pretty good, that, if you put a candle in it, yeah, for a photo. Coming on. Yeah, they probably are mattress springs, though, to be honest. What do you rate they are?
It is where the sinks are.
This used to be the toilets, I'm sure of it.
Well, yeah, toilets and
I don't,
sinks.
yeah, because look there, because look, there's a hole there. So it must have been the toilets, but everybody
I
just
think
smashed
it's
them
the
up.
sinks because there's water above it. Well, yeah, it could be
Come on.
toilets.
looking on surveillance.
Right, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go. Follow me back in time, guys. We've seen all these beds. Think about how many people slept on these beds.
About 15.
About 4,600, yeah?
Get 12 on them.
Get 12 on that.
Top and tail. 24.
They're made out of zinc as well, yeah, guys. But yeah, thank you for joining Exploring with Jake. Peace! It's a really old lantern, this, guys.
Alright, but I've got some on.
There's an old boot. She'll hear this when it goes on Manchester Evening News. Brinksways air raid shelters.